Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, girls. How are you? Welcome, dear student, to our class. These are the rules. We are going to memorize them fast. First of all, I want you to sign in on time and find some quiet place to study. Listen. Look at the screen. Raise your hand, answer when teacher calls your name. Do not draw on the screen and do not talk to your friends. Please, guys, I want you to mute your microphone unless you need to talk about the lesson, okay? Or you need to answer. Good? Let's start. Yesterday we were doing sum it up, brain check, apply concept, and today we are going to complete. We stopped here. Okay, page number 15. So I'm gonna write the page number over here. Good. Everyone can see page 15. Okay. Okay, guys, take 1 minute just to read number 5, 7 across, then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then you have your words down there in the yellow box. Take a minute just to read them, and I'll be asking you, okay? In a minute, guys.
Teacher, do we write the date? Okay, teacher, I read it.
Okay, guys, ready or not, here we start. Let's start. Across, an explanation based on evidence. I know yesterday we did that, but I want to do it again from the beginning, okay? Now, an explanation based on evidence. Yes, Talia. What do I call it?
I think it's conclusion.
Yes, excellent, because you need an evidence to give a conclusion. This one we already used. Now, number 7, scientists do one of these to answer questions. What do they do to answer questions? Do they communicate, investigation, question, experiment, scientist, or hypothesis? What do they do? One of these, number 7. See, it's a long word. Guys, are you raising your hands? Okay, Rihanna.
Investigation.
Yes, excellent. So scientists, when they need to answer questions, they make investigation. Excellent. Now down, number 1, an idea or explanation that can be tested, guys. See, tested. I'm going to underline the most important ideas. Okay? With an investigation. If you are telling me an idea or explanation and you can test it. Yes, Leen Bafayat? Leen, can you raise your voice,
Miss,
please?
what was number 7?
Number 7 is investigation.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, my lovely students, I forgot to tell you guys. the answers will be sent after this class, okay? So if you couldn't write with me, it's okay. You can just write the number next to the word. Later, you can copy from your email when I send you all the answers, okay, guys? So please,
Teacher,
guys, do not worry
I did
about
this page.
Are you Lean?
Yeah.
Leah, great job, Leah. Thank you. Okay, Lean.
Miss, which page?
Good morning,
15.
Rital. It's 15. See? Over here, it's page 15.
Okay, I got it.
Good. And we are down in number 1.
Okay, I opened it.
Now, Lean, what you were saying, an idea can be tested. What's the idea that you can test? Is it communicate, or is it question, or hypothesis? Lean? Are you here, Lean? Oh, maybe I can't hear you. I'm sorry. Okay. Is it hypothesis? Shake your head if it's yes, and if it's no, tell me.
She could write in the chat.
Okay, good.
Miss, you wrote?
Oh, sorry, Leon. Good try. It's not experiment. Yes, Leanne?
It's an hypothesis.
Excellent. It's an
First thing
hypothesis.
I wanted to say experiment, but when I saw in the word, I saw that there's an O, and in the word experiment, there's no O.
Okay, this is a good way of thinking. I love it. But you may focus more on the word be tested. If it's idea and you can make a test about it with experiment, it's a hypothesis. See, whenever you are making a hypothesis, you make sure that your statement can be tested. All right? Yes, Rital. Yes, my dear. You want to answer?
No, I want to ask you a question.
Ask me, my dear.
The word, what's it called? I don't know. The words that like in this side of the book. Are they like one is like when I read number 1 is for the number 1 here? Oh, okay.
Are you opening page 15? Rital? Are you there with us, my dear?
I think she's lagging.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
she's... Okay. I couldn't understand what is your question, dear. Here we are going to solve down, number 1, from up to down, going down. And across means from left to right, if this what you are asking about, okay? And after solving this, my dear, you will have time to write the answers, okay? Good. Now, number 2, to share the result of investigation. You want to share the result of investigation. What do you do? Experiment, question, communicate. What do you do, Yaleen? Do you do experiment to share the result? Or you do communicate? Excellent. Communicate. You communicate to share the result. When I want to share the result, I communicate. Please underline the lines that are very important, just like I am doing. Okay, guys? So number 2 is to communicate. Number 3, a person who asks questions about the natural world. Who is he? Who is that person? Yes, Maria Al-Faleh.
A scientist.
Excellent, good job. It is a scientist because he asked about the natural world. Good job, girls. Okay, you ask this. What do you ask, Talia? What do you ask, my dear?
You ask this. A question?
Excellent, good job. You ask a question. So, a kind of investigation that is a fair test. A fair test is an experiment. Okay, guys? A fair test is an experiment. And these are our answers. Guys, it's easier to write the numbers next to the words than fill in the puzzle. Okay, guys?
Miss, why I write the numbers and I do it
Excellent.
again?
Because
I erase it and I do it again?
No, my dear. If you did it already, so thank you.
Yeah. And it's all correct.
Okay. Lean, be ready. Lean Bafayad. Next question, you will write in the chat and I will
Miss,
see
wait.
wrong or wrong, okay? Guys, don't worry, it's okay if you couldn't write now. I will be sending all the answers, okay guys? Now we have only 15 minutes to do the next 2 pages, or so, sorry, the next page. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm done.
What about you all? Are you ready, guys?
1 minute.
Miss, give me
Yeah.
1 minute. I just have to write experiment and I'm done.
Okay.
And then.
Okay, let's see the next page.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, you can go and come back quickly.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome, dear. Now, choose an object to observe. List some observation, then ask some questions related to your observation. And to make it clear, guys, to make an observation, you need to use your 5 senses. So when you observe something around you, you need to maybe to look at it, touch it, smell it, listen to it, use your 5 senses. You don't need to use them all together, but use some of it, okay, guys? Now, each one of you, I want you to choose. And this question is open. What do I mean by open? All answers are accepted. All answers. So whatever you choose, you can observe and you can ask a question about it. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. Each one of you choose an object, and when I ask your name, please tell me what is this object and what is your observation and what is your question. Okay, guys? Do you understand? Yes, Lean, I can see that. I can see. Can you ask a question about it? Okay, you can just write down the name of the object and what is your observation. Next, what is your question? Okay, in your book. And guys, all answers are accepted because this is an open question, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you can choose that, Talia.
Yeah, I forgot.
Miss, now
Yes.
the class, it's very quiet. Not like before, it's very quiet.
What?
The class now, I mean the meeting now, it's very quiet. So
Very quiet.
so you can concentrate.
Good.
Teacher,
Oh, this is so dangerous, Rihanna. Be careful.
I didn't found just this. I found it.
oh my gosh.
Rihanna,
Anything.
please, can you take it to the kitchen? Take it back to your mom. Quickly, quickly.
Okay.
And never use sharp things, please. Guys, please.
I never use that. If I want to cut something, I use like kid knives. I never touched a knife in my life.
Good, great.
Scared.
Or you can
Because one time when
you can just ask someone big to help you.
yes,
Ask
because
for
one
help.
time
helps me when my mom usually helps me when she cuts stuff.
Miss, and because of that, because when I was 3 years old, I cut my finger.
Oh,
Like,
I'm
fine here.
sorry.
I could just open it and see the inside.
Oh, I can see Lean
was-
expressions. She's scared too for you. Okay, guys, are you
I used to
finished?
put toys inside.
Miss, I'll talk about the
No,
ketchup.
I'm not
Is it healthy or not?
It's okay. Anything you choose can be correct. Okay, now I want to start with Leah. Leah, dear, can you name the object that you choose? What did you choose, Leah?
Name of
What? Name of object, what is it? Okay, Leah. Leah, are you there?
yeah.
Okay, my dear, what did you choose? Name the object. What did you choose? What object did you choose? Okay, thank you, Leah. We'll move to Leanne.
Me, Miss?
Yes, what is the name of the object that you observed?
A water bottle.
Excellent. Okay, what is your observation about the water bottle?
I can see it, I can touch it.
Okay, were you able to answer this question? What does it taste, or what does it look like, or what is the
No, Miss,
texture of it?
I did my own question and I
Okay,
answered it.
but this question about the observation, if you want to know if you observed well or not, you have to be able to answer these. Observation, to use your eyes to know how does it look like. Use your tongue to taste, how does it taste like. Use your hand to touch, how does it feel like. So these are the observation, okay, Leanne?
Miss,
Yes.
What was your question about it?
do we ask the question?
Yes, you have to ask a question. For example,
That's what I
about
did.
the water bottle that Leanne chose, I would ask, if this water bottle, how much can I put in water inside this water bottle? How much can you put? How milliliters can you put inside this water bottle? How
I
many?
don't know.
Of course, you can. How can you know? If you make if you make your own experiment, you will eventually know. At the end of this experiment, you will know how milliliters you can put inside this water bottle. Okay?
Yes.
Good.
The
Now let's see
question,
Talia.
How many
Sorry. Yes, Leanne, I'm very sorry.
Miss, the question is, how many days can you, how many, no, wait. Do all people use a water bottle to drink?
This is a good question. Okay,
Because some
nice.
people are very poor and they can't, so they can not buy
So
a
you
water
also
bottle.
make your inference. This is an inference. You
Yes.
telling a statement about something you know, about information you have. Okay, we'll see Talia, then Maria. So we can go to the next question. Yes, Talia?
My name of the object is a blanket. When I observe it, I see it has pink and purple polka dots. It's just so wow.
Okay, what about the question?
For it. Okay. How did they make it? How did they make it? How is it so soft all the time and warm?
Oh, good questions. Nice, good job. Yes, Maria.
I observed the fireplace.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Pink and purple polka dots.
Nice. Nice, Talia. Okay, Maria, you observed the fireplace. What is your observation?
Yes.
My own best.
I can only see it. I cannot put my hand in it.
Okay, what is your question? Great observation.
My question is, can I roast a marshmallow in it?
Nice, good investigation. I loved it. Okay, guys, thank you all for this. Let's see number 3. Your family uses steel wool pads for cleaning pots and pans. Often they get rusty after use, definitely. What could you do to stop the pads from rusting? Write a hypothesis you could test. So I'm gonna write something I can try. What can I try or what can I do to not make it rust? So I can forbid this rustiness, okay? Can you tell me? Rusty when the steel turns to red. It's a chemical reaction, happens when you put steel with water and leave it in a moisturizing air or moisturized place. So it will be rusty. For me, if it's for me, my hypothesis would be to put this pad or steel wool soap pad in a plastic bag, and maybe I will put it in a freezer or I will wrap it in aluminum foil. Why is that? I'm going to try and see if it will be if it will not be rusty anymore or not. So a hypothesis is about making a statement that you can test. Can I try to put it in a plastic bag or not? Is it testable?
Yes. Yeah.
Excellent. So this is a hypothesis. Whenever you can be, you are able to test your statement or your thoughts. Excellent, guys. Excellent. I saw your books. Good job. Let's see the last question over here. The last question over here. The graph shows the result of a national online poll in which students were asked to name their favorite lunch food. What conclusions can you draw from this graph? Can you see this graph?
Yes.
Okay, what is your conclusion, Rital? What do you think? These are about the national online poll. They were asked that which is their favorite lunch food. So what is their favorite lunch food? Can you tell me?
Their favorite lunch food is pizza.
Definitely, excellent. And why is that? Why did you say pizza?
It's
Because it
I know
took,
why.
I will tell you, because it took the most space. Oh, okay, sorry. I thought you don't know. You can complete, dear. Rital,
Yeah.
you know the answer?
Yeah,
Okay, tell me.
it's pizza.
I know it's pizza, but why is that?
Because it takes the most space in the chart.
Excellent, excellent. Because drawing a conclusion, when you draw the result or you draw what you ever figured out, you are making others to know what you did, to know what is the result of your observation or investigation. So making a graph is very helpful so people can know what is your result about your experiment. So students prefer pizza over the 4 other lunch items. See, how many lunch items do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5, but pizza
we
is
write
above the 4. So students like pizza pocket the least. When I ask you what is the least thing that they don't like,
That has the
the
least
pizza pocket.
in the chart.
Excellent, pizza pocket. And students like lasagna, or is it, yes, lasagna and grilled cheese about the same. Hamburgers are the second favorite lunch. So the first is what? Pizza. Second is hamburger. Let's see, lasagna and grilled cheese are the same.
Okay.
Yes, and then
Pocket.
pizza pocket are the least.
Miss,
So
I have something
if I
weird
show
about
you a graph or a conclusion already made, you can tell me what is it about. Excellent. Okay, guys, do you have any question?
I didn't finish
No.
writing.
But Miss, I want to tell you something.
Yes,
I don't
tell
know
me.
why people like burger and I hate something called
Teacher, I wasn't finished. Can you go back to that page,
that's
please?
good.
Me
First
too.
thing because
I
the
don't know, but I
like more.
grandma burger.
Okay, guys, it's okay.
Because it is not
Whoever,
because it's not have many oil.
Yeah.
Because I just love my mom burger. The oil is
nice,
less
yes,
than
yes.
the
Homemade
restaurant.
burgers are always the best. Okay, guys, please.
And with
It's
you
10:16 and you have another class after 4 minutes. You have to attend on time. And guys, if you didn't had the chance to write with me on this screen, it's all right because I am going to send the answer at the end of the day. Okay, guys?
yes. And Miss,
See you tomorrow,
teacher.
inshallah, in a new
Bye.
lesson. Goodbye, girls. I'm sorry I had to leave.
Bye.
Don't forget your other meeting, okay? Sign
Okay.
in on time and be good
It's
girls.
English.
Good job, girls.
You have to
Bye-bye.
It's English.
Bye.
Bye.